Hi, fourth grade. Today we're going to be learning about deforestation. So it says, I can explore and define what deforestation is. It says, what is deforestation? Deforestation refers to the decrease, which means to go down, in forest areas across the world that are lost for other uses such as agriculture, so our cropland, so where our farmers farm different land, or even for cattle. It also says urbanization. Urbanization means like building cities and homes. Okay. And then mining activities. So mining activities such as like for mining for oil or different things like that. That all causes a decrease in our forest areas called deforestation. So I'm going to let you watch this video about deforestation and what does that mean for us.
Deforestation. Deforestation is the act of cutting down large trees from land, which is then used for farming, ranching, or building homes. Unfortunately, deforestation is happening in one of Earth's most vital and densely wooded areas, known as rainforests. Rainforests cover a very large area of Earth's land, and they are the most important sources for oxygen. Without oxygen, humans, animals, insects, and plant life cannot survive. One of the largest rainforests is called the Amazon. The good news is that the Amazon has an estimated 390 billion individual trees that produces at least 6% of Earth's much-needed oxygen. And at least 15 feet of rain a year falls in the Amazon. This rainfall plays an important role in keeping our planet healthy by absorbing or capturing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This capturing of carbon dioxide helps to stabilize the Earth's climate. The bad news is that we are losing about 4,500 acres of rainforest every hour because of illegal logging, mining, forest fires, and oil drilling. If this continues, within 100 years, there will no longer be any rainforest. But there's hope. Just as pollinators play a major role in our ecosystem, we too can play a role to help heal our planet. For starters, we can plant seeds for trees, shrubs, and flowers any chance we get. Pollinators and photosynthesis will do the rest. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide, the bad stuff, and breathe out oxygen, the good stuff. Plants also provide a place to live for birds and other wildlife. Another way that we can help is by going paperless. According to studies, more than 2 billion books, 350 million magazines, and 24 billion newspapers are published each year. That's a lot of paper. Where does the paper come from? You guessed it, trees. The US alone uses about 68 million trees each year to make these paper products. And that doesn't even include toilet paper, paper towels, and paper napkins. In the end, the demand for wood products such as paper, furniture, and construction materials are a major cause of damage to tropical forests. Recycling and buying recycled products are another way that we can help. Why? Because recycling reduces the need for raw materials, such as trees, which is where the pulp comes from. Pulp is made from wood chips or other materials known as plant fibers that are converted into a thick material that is then processed in a factory to make paper products. Buying non-wood products, educating our youth on the importance of rainforests, as well as bringing awareness to kids to the environmental issues are other ways that we can help heal our planet. So yes, there is hope. And by simply learning what's good and bad for the planet, you are helping change the world we live in. The Incy Wincies will be your...
So you learned a little bit about deforestation, and they also talked about ways that we can help our planet with deforestation. So your activity today is you're going to need a blank paper, crayons, markers, and a pencil again. And you're going to create a deforestation flyer. Okay? You're going to create a flyer that explains how we can help save our forests. So for example, I have a hand with a tree. So this to me is representing that we're going to help by planting trees. Okay? But I also know that it helps our air and our weather. Okay? I want you to make sure on your flyer that you use both pictures and words to explain your thoughts. So when you are done with your deforestation flyer, how we can help save our forests, Okay, I want you to think of some different ways. You could even take your picture and divide it into 4 and give me 4 different ways that we can help save our forests. Okay, or maybe just split it in half and show me 2 ways. Okay, this is your flyer about how you're going to help us save our forests. When you're done, you'll post a picture on Seesaw. Have fun with this today.